going to see about types of leaves. There are two types of leaves, simple leaf and compound leaf. Now we are going to see an example for simple leaf. This part is known as leaf base and this part is known as petiole, and this middle part is known as midrib. The striking in this part is known as veins. In between the veins there are a small part that is known as camino. The function of vein is to transport mineral, water and food. And when leaf is inside, the incisions do not touch midrib. And these plants have bud in anaxial bud. We are going to see about compound leaf. There are two types of compound leaf. One is PINNATELY compound leaf and another is PALMATELY compound leaf. And I have took the name as an example. And in this, both leaves join at the same point in midrib. And this part is known as midrib. The center part is known as midrib. And the incisors touch the midrib. And these also have annexes bud. Palmately leaf. I have took this plant example of palmately leaf. And there is a single stem from the plant, and all 5 leaves join at a single point of stem, that is known as tip of petiole. And incisors touch the midrib, and this plant also have an axial bud. Thank you.